How to remove original sound audio on Instagram Reel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first I will launch the Instagram application on your device over here and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen in order to post any reel over here. Select on reel and select any random reel over here in order to remove the original sound audio. I'm going to select on this one, and here you can see different menus at the bottom of the screen available. So just swipe it to the left, and on the extreme right over here you can see the control menu. So just tap on this control menu, and as you do that you can see the volume option. So just take it from 100 to 0 over here. So just drag it and then tap on done over here. And as you do that, you will be able to remove original sound audio on Instagram Reel. So now you can just add any music or any voiceovers. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.